Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you do not know who I am, my name is Anukrita Barua. I create videos, I create content on YouTube, here on YouTube, on makeup, skincare, lifestyle. I also do a lot of hauls. This video is another haul. Again, if you've been here on my channel, you know I do a lot of hauls from Amazon, Nykaa, Myntra, and this is another one of those. So because the festive season was around the corner and there was an amazing sale going on in both Amazon and Nykaa, there were very good deals and I just couldn't control myself, so I got a bunch of stuff to show you. These are all makeup products and very inexpensive. Everything was, I think, under 500 rupees. So I think the sale is still going on both on Myntra and Nykaa. I will link down everything in the description box. So if you like anything out of this haul, then please go ahead, grab it now. The sale is still there and you might find this at very nice deals. So yeah, this is the entire look that I achieved today with these products itself. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching this video. Stay till the very end. I have a lot of nice products to show you, which you're gonna absolutely love. And also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would just mean a lot to me. And hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, let's get on to it. So let's quickly get started. The first thing that I want to show you before I jump into the products is a set of makeup brushes. Now this was also, like, I don't remember the prices, so it's gonna be on the screen somewhere here. So this set was also very inexpensive and it had like quite good reviews. So it comes with a sponge and also a set of makeup brushes. I think they have 11 makeup brushes, including both face brushes as well as eye brushes, and it came in this nice little pouch. So this is very good, very handy. It keeps your brushes clean. I'm not sure, I have not tested out these brushes, so what I'm going to do is today, whatever makeup I'm going to use, I will be using these brushes, so you guys kind of know, get an idea how these brushes perform. Let's move on to the face products or the base products. I don't have a primer. I've already moisturized my face. I'm gonna skip on the primer because I'm doing this only for the video. I don't really need a primer. So what I'm gonna show you are a couple of foundations. So I have 3 foundations here with me. One, of course, is the Maybelline Fit Me. So this is the first time I'm trying out this foundation. If you do not have tried it out, I'm gonna recommend this foundation. I've not yet used it. I don't even know if this shade is gonna match or not, but this one is the smaller size tube and I got this for $2.99. That's the MRP. I probably got it in a sale. This one is in the shade 220, as you can see it here. I quickly give you a swatch here. So this is the Fit Me foundation. The consistency is like really creamy and it's also blending out really well. It's blended out. I think it's quite a nice formula. Of course, a lot of people rave about it. It's quite a cult favorite, everyone's favorite. So I'm really excited to try that one out. The next foundation I have is by Faces Canada. This is how it came in the outer packaging, and this is the Weightless Matte Finish Foundation. It says that it has anti-aging properties and also contains natural extracts, and it comes in 18 ml of product. This one was also very inexpensive, got it for 199 rupees, and this is in the shade Beige 03. That's how the tube looks like. It's like a beautiful black tube with golden detailing. I think the tube looks really nice, and let me give you a quick swatch. Yeah, it's definitely lighter. I think I'll have to go in with the next shade. So that's how it looks like. So I will probably review this in a different video if you guys want me to, or maybe use it in a different video. And the last foundation that I have here is the Miss Claire. This is the Everyday Foundation Natural Weightless Foundation. This has 30 ml of product, quite a lot of product for you to last you a very long time. And this is in the shade Medium Buff. PE02. All the details will be down in the description box below. And this I've used once, and I have to say I really loved the formula. I love the color. It is tad bit, like slight bit lighter than my skin tone, because now it's winter. It was just summers and I've tanned a little bit. I was outside traveling and just got a little bit more tanned than I was before. That's how the foundation looks like. Definitely looks very, very light here than my skin tone, but when I blended it out, it performed really well. Alright, so let's not waste any more time. Those were the 3 foundations that I've showed you. What I'm going to do is I'll today go in with this foundation, the Miss Claire Everyday Foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'll use the beauty blender that came in with the makeup brush set and see how this performs. I've dampened it, like I've wet it a little bit, so it's pretty damp, but it doesn't feel very soft. So I've blended out the foundation. It was very, very difficult to blend out with this beauty blender. It's very hard and it's, giving me a very patchy finish. It's not giving me a very smooth blend. As you can see, the foundation is very, very sheer. It did not really cover a lot of things, but it's still there. It is giving me a very nice base. You can maybe go in with another layer. The next thing that I have here is concealer, and this one again is a cult favorite. A lot of people have talked about it. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and this is in the shade 130 Medium. So what I'm gonna do is I'll apply it here under my eyes, a bit here. I'm gonna take my other beauty blender. This one is from Plume. This is so much better than that one. So I'll blend it out with this. So there it is. That's the concealer all blended out, and as you can see, the concealer is sort of not my shade, but sort of like a highlighting shade. So I might have to go in with the next darker shade than this. 130 Medium is more of like a highlighting shade for me, so it's okay. I'm still gonna use it like for those days when I really want to glam up and look like kind of go into a very heavier makeup. Then I might use this, but on a daily occasion I prefer a concealer that's more of my skin tone. Let's go into the eyes. So for the eyes, I have this beautiful palette, very, very inexpensive. I think this was just for like 250 rupees or 300. I'm talking about this palette here. This is the SFR color palette. In this shade, the theme of this palette is caramel brown, as you can see, and I just love the packaging, the animal print going on, and even the color theme is very, very beautiful. As you can see, beautiful. They have this very beautiful wet shimmer shade, and these are like pressed foiled shades, metallic, and then they have these mattes. I think very nice color theme for your everyday go-to makeup looks. You can also do a very glam, heavy, smoky eye with this, and I've used this a couple of times and I absolutely love it. The pigmentation is on point. The shimmers I absolutely love. Very, very popping. And for such an inexpensive product, inexpensive price, you're getting something like this. It's just fabulous. and this reminds me of those small Huda Beauty mini palettes that you get. So of course those are very expensive, I think for 2500 or 2400, and you are getting this for just 300 rupees or below. So yeah, let's do one thing. Let's quickly do a very easy eye look. So what I'll do is I'll pick up this beautiful shade here and I'll apply it all over the lid, sort of to give a very nice base. Okay, so my base or transition shade is done. What I'll do is I'm gonna take this darker shade here and just apply it all over my crease and the outer corner. I'll pat it first and then just going the crease in a swiping motion. It's not that sort of a pigment where you cannot really play with the colors, or you know, some pigments are very difficult to blend, but this is not like that. It's very easy to blend. Now what I'm gonna do is I will go in with this beautiful shimmer shade and then top it up with this. This is more popping, this one is slightly less popping. This looks more as like a beautiful glow, like a sheen, whereas this is more sort of more metallic and glittery. You'll see that in a while. I'll just give you a quick swatch here. This one, such a beautiful color. Then I'm going in with this very beautiful coppery shade. Wow, absolutely stunning. And shimmers are best applied with fingers. You don't need brushes. Just go in with your ring finger. Do you see? That's such a beautiful shimmer. It's not too much in the face, not too loud, but it's still there. You can still see it. And what I'll do is I'm gonna take this dark shade here, the matte shade, which I applied as in my outer corners, and I'll just go ahead and apply it on my waterline. I'm done with the eyes. I absolutely love how it has turned out. I think this looks good, so good with the top that I'm wearing now, and it's like very fresh, very summery. Also, it was very easy. If you followed along, it's not gonna take a lot of time. You just need two matte shades and a shimmer. Just apply it all over and you're good to go. So that was the eyeshadow palette. Highly recommend. I absolutely love this palette. So I have an eyeliner here for you guys. This one is from Swiss Beauty. This is how the packaging looks like, and that's how the tube looks like. That's how the liner looks like. Very nice packaging. I really like it. Comes in with a very nice pointy tip, very easy to apply an eyeliner, and it's jet black, turns completely matte. So what I'm gonna do is I'll shut my mouth now and I am gonna apply this eyeliner because I need to concentrate for this. Alright, so I am done with the eye. The eyeliner looks really nice. It was so easy to use. I mean, it just took me like 5 minutes to get a wing liner. Otherwise, it's so difficult to get a wing liner. With most of the eyeliners, it's such a struggle. I guess you can relate. I also went ahead and did my mascara and my eyebrows. I didn't have anything new to show you guys here, so I just went ahead and did it. I really like the blush brush here from the set. I think it's doing a very good job. I'm done with the blush. I also have another product to show you. This is a highlighter. This is from this brand Inside Cosmetics. That's how it looks like. It's a stick highlighter. It says it's Insta Ready Illuminating Highlighter, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is what it looks like, and this one is in the shade 03 Luminous. It also comes in with a buffing brush on the other end, and that's how the highlighter looks like. You can, you know, twist it up, and let me give you a quick swatch here. That's how the highlighter looks like. It's sort of like a very champagne-y, rosy pink color. Alright, I'm done with the highlighter. As you can see, it's a beautiful, very subtle. It does not have any chunky shimmer particles. It's like a beautiful glow from within, a nice sheen. I also like the color. I was not sure if the color is going to look good on me or not, but I think it's a beautiful color. Perfect both for day looks as well as night looks. And this one again was very, very inexpensive for 200 rupees. Okay, so we are down to the last few products. I mean, it's a lip product, but I have a couple of them to show you guys here. Yeah, so I have 4 different lipsticks to show you. 2 of them are from MyGlam. I didn't know like I would get such beautiful lipsticks at such an inexpensive price. I think these are priced at around 350 or 60 rupees. Yeah, these are priced at 395 rupees, but I got it in a sale and I got it for like 250 to 90 rupees. And these are liquid lipsticks. I got 2 shades. One is in the shade Hookup. That's how the tube looks like. It's a beautiful packaging with a white cap, and you can see the color here. And I've used this a couple of times. The formula is very, very nice. It is liquid lipstick, so it is going to be slightly drying on the lips, but if you have moisturized your lips well, prepped it well, then it's gonna perform well. So this is the shade Hook Me Up. Such a beautiful brown nude color. Then this shade is called Sugar Mama. This is a beautiful pink, everyday pink sort of a color. Wow, it's stunning. It's that, you know, beautiful Barbie pink color, just perfect for the festive season. And then I have another lipstick here from Swiss Beauty. I have used this before in a different shade, and I've been looking for this shade for quite some time, but it's always out of stock. And this is in the shade Cute Nude, also very, very inexpensive. That's how the component looks like. It comes in this packaging, and that's the color. Beautiful everyday nude brown. It is slightly on the cooler undertone. It doesn't have a very warm undertone, but that's okay. I mean, I love lipsticks and I love all sorts of lipsticks. Very, very nice formula, very comfortable. And then the last lipstick here is this new brand that I've never heard of. Got it from Amazon. I don't know how to spell it or how to pronounce it. It says Puder. That's how it looks like. It's again a liquid lipstick, but it says it's a lip gloss, but it's not a lip gloss. But I love the packaging. It's really nice. And this is how the applicator looks like. And that's the shade. A beautiful nude, mauvey nude color. I did try this out. It did wash me out a little bit. So if you're my shade or like my skin tone or darker, this is definitely gonna wash you out. But what I do is I take a pink, like a darker pink lip liner. I use a lip liner and then this lip shade. Okay, so for this look today, I will be using the MyGlam lip shade in Hook Me Up. This one right here, because I think that's this is gonna look the best with the eye look that I have. It was just one swipe pigment. I didn't have to go in back into the tube to get more product out, and the pigmentation is just stunning. It's really pigmented. It's also very comfortable on the lips. Does not feel sticky or tacky. And I've used this before. It stays for a very long time. You don't have to touch up, and also the lips won't feel very dry. Okay, so those were all the things that I had for today to show you guys, and this is the look, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a pretty long video, but I hope you guys got an idea of all these products. Very affordable, very good quality products. I'll link down everything below. All the details will be here, so you can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot to me. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And I have a lot more content coming up for you guys. So till then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay safe, and yeah, bye.